This is lesson 4 on page 83, using templates to automate document formatting.
In this lesson, you will use templates to automate document formatting. You will create a document using a template and create a custom template. You have seen how using styles and quick parts can give your documents a consistent look and feel. Using those components can also save you time when formatting your documents. In this lesson, you will create templates, which also help you create a consistent look for your documents. So topic A on page 84 is creating a document using a template. When you create a document, you often need to set up the page layout, determine which styles to use, and set up how the document is formatted. If you have documents that use the same page layout and styles, and even some of the same content, you can save time if you base your document on a template. In this topic, you will create a document using a template. A template is a special type of Microsoft Word document containing the desired formatting that you can use as the starting point for creating new Word documents. When you create any Word document, Word bases that document on a template. A template contains the layout, formatting, and possibly text that you want to use in any document based on that template. Using a template creates a copy of it as a Word docx file so that existing content in the template file is not overwritten. Word documents have the .docx extension. In contrast, template files have the .dotx extension. If the template file contains macros, Word uses the extension .dotm for the extension. So here on my landing page, I just launched Word. So I'm at my landing or my start page. And here you have an option to search for online templates. So templates are basically types of documents where you can get a starting point for your structure, your formatting, so you don't have to start from scratch for whatever you're creating. You can search for a specific type. Let's say you were searching for a resume template, so you didn't need to start from scratch. You could type resume in here and it will search office.com. They have thousands and thousands of different types of templates. So you can see a whole bunch of resume templates came up. We'll take a look at the first one here. If you single click, it will open up a preview box. This is called the blue-gray resume. Present your experience and talent stylishly with this blue-gray resume template that includes a space for your photo. Easily customize the font or use as is. Either way, a blue-gray resume makes a statement that won't be missed by a hiring manager. This template also includes helpful tips for building an effective resume. Search blue-gray for a matching cover letter template. So from this preview box, you have the option to use this template by hitting the Create button, or you can use your arrows to scroll through additional ones. There's Modern Chronological. So if I decided I wanted to use this one as my starting point, hit the Create button, and it will launch Word. Let me zoom in here. And it created a new document for you based on that template. And you can see it has first name here. These are placeholders. You can see when I single click, it automatically selects the whole entire thing. So when I'm typing in my first name, I can just single click that placeholder text and start typing to overwrite it. So you can see I don't have to worry about the formatting here. I can just customize it to how I want my document tailored. So I could go through and just, you can see this one clicks the whole entire paragraph. And once I'm done, I just save it like a regular document and do a save as and save it to a particular folder. So that's one way of creating a document based on a template. Let me close this out without saving it. So that way I search the Word resume. Let me go to File and New. So I search for online templates by resume. You can also search different categories. Maybe I was searching for, holiday, I don't know, invitations or holiday cards or something like that. Here we have different Halloween. What's this one? A Halloween menu. There are when I say so many different types of templates, I really mean so many you can pretty much find anything on here. And whatever you don't like in it, you can always, like I said before, customize it to suit your needs. If you don't want a particular, feature that the template has, you can just delete it. So you just want to customize it and tailor it to exactly what you want. All right, so that was a holiday. You have a whole bunch of different categories to the right here dealing with holidays. Maybe you wanted strictly holiday cards. You can narrow it down that way. And you can see a whole bunch of different stuff that you can use. All right, so creating a document based on a template is pretty darn easy. Very, very little customization that you really need to make. Everything is all set up for you. So in our first
The next video will be activity 4.1 on page 87, creating a document using a template.